Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Yoast SEO for WordPress easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Yoast SEO plugin installed on your WordPress site. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over the plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO. Find the Yoast SEO plugin from the list and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate. Click on the SEO menu to access the Yoast SEO settings. Here, you'll find multiple tabs like General, Search Appearance, and more. Start with the General tab to set your plugin's configuration. Follow the setup wizard for initial guidance on configuration. Next, navigate to the Search Appearance tab. In this section, set preferences for how your content. Adjust settings under the Content Types section to determine visibility for posts and pages. Also, customize the taxonomy section for categories and tags. After that, explore the social settings. Link your social media profiles to enhance your online presence. Now, let's optimize your content. Open a post or page you want to optimize. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box beneath the content editor. Enter your focus keyword in the designated field. Observe the color-coded feedback bar for SEO quality indicators. Address any red or orange warnings to improve your score. Check the readability analysis for suggestions on content flow and structure. Edit your content based on the Yoast recommendations for better optimization. Once satisfied, look for the snippet preview section. Here, you can customize the title and meta description for your post. Ensure your title is enticing and includes your focus keyword. Make your meta description concise and relevant, summarizing the content effectively. Lastly, click Update or Publish to save your changes. Repeat this process for each piece of content on your website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.